just around the corner and I thought of vlogging till Wednesday. So today is Sunday and all these days we have got lot of plans, like all the Diwali preparations starting from Diwali shopping. So I'm super excited. I wasn't this excited till yesterday because obviously both me and Sid, we are missing families. It's for the first time we are away from family. Since we don't really have an option, we have to be cheerful, we have to be happy because obviously festival is just around the corner. And yes, I just made my mind that I need to be excited, I need to be happy. And so both me and Sid, we are going for Diwali shopping today, and tomorrow, that is Monday, there is going to be another plan. So yes, stay tuned and enjoy. So both of us are really packed with this mota jacket. It's really cold today. So talking about Diwali shopping, abhi we are going to Wembley, which is obviously my favorite. We just wanted to look around, like whatever we would find related to Diwali, we would buy it. And I'll soon be making a vlog on Wembley because I've been there numerous times. So yes, today it's going to be a very exciting day.
I remember always all the mornings in the park, flying with my friends like we were Superman. Now that we are older, everything has changed outside, but we're still together in our hearts. I wish time were frozen.
Finally found Rangoli colors. I got reds and greens and pink.
But together there is no tears.
So we are now looking for all the puja items here in Popat's store. We got almost all the puja items, na?
Camphor.
Yes, camphor. We have got tea lights, so we can buy this. It's pretty, na? Seriously enjoyed here. Here in Wembley, you can actually feel कि हाँ Diwali है. I'll show you guys the decoration. And we finally found a lot of things, right from puja items and also rangoli and all of that, and also a lot of diyas. So we have completed our shopping and now we are off to home. Hey guys, what's up? So it's day 2 and I'm again wearing the same t-shirt, and yes, it's Dhanteras today, and happy Dhanteras to all of you guys. I'm super happy today because the day went really productive. I am vlogging a little bit late. Today morning I had a lot of chores to do, so I just finished everything and I am ready right now to go to Green Street. So Green Street is another place where you can find a lot of Indian things. So I frequently visit there. I will again be making a video for that too. But for now, I am just going for, you know, shopping some Diwali related items which I didn't get yesterday, like in Wembley. So today I am going alone for now, and then Sid will join me right at the station. Right after we come back, we have to do puja, that is Dhanteras puja, which is just going to be a mini puja. And along with that, I will, you know, light some diyas right at the front door. So yes, I am starting to get the feeling of Diwali. Also, I didn't show you guys the mandir. I got this mandir from IKEA, and this is just a regular cabinet with a door. And here's this is something which I really love. This is just you know, separate lights, and this was for Christmas, but I wanted to make this mandir look like it has got a shikhar, so I just placed it here and it looks perfect with the mandir, and everything is from IKEA. Also, I love how the kitchen looks right now. I have deep cleaned it completely yesterday and it looks super shiny and super nice. Okay guys, so I'm all set. Let's go to Green Street. Look who's here!
And believe that we're still kids. Life has changed.
Hey guys, so we are at Green Street right now, and this place has got a lot of Indian stores. So you know, Diwali ki raunak is amazing here because everywhere I can see, you know, people buying fireworks and diyas and all of that. But I don't like buying fireworks. For me, it's like say no to fireworks. But yes, we have come here because there are a lot of jewelry stores here and we wanted to buy a small silver coin because it's Dhanteras. So it's like a ritual, like every year we buy something on Dhanteras.
Believe that we're still kids. Life has changed, it's falling, but together there is.
Happy Dhanteras! Hey guys, what's up? So it's day 3 and it's Choti Diwali today. So very happy Choti Diwali to all you guys. So today I am going to make Rasmalai, that is the mithai. Obviously you guys must be knowing about it. I wanted to make this ever since I saw this recipe on a Facebook page. So the page name is Gobble and I just thought of experimenting and testing it out. So the recipe is from them and I'm just trying it out. So this is the recipe that I have to follow.
Has changed outside, but we're still together in our hearts. I wish time were frozen.
Let's make the mithai, which I just hope turns out really good. Let's go. So here I have all the ingredients for the ras: milk, saffron milk, sugar, cashew nuts, pistachios and cardamom.
I wish time were frozen and believe that we're still kids. Life has changed, it's falling.
So this is finally reduced to half and it looks exactly like I wanted. Not really dark yellow, but really beautiful light yellowish color. Now it's time to make chena.
But together there is no tears.
So finally I was able to make Rasmalai. It's in the refrigerator. So we'll have it tomorrow. That is Diwali. So I'm off to sleep right now. See you tomorrow. Hey guys, so it's day 4 and it's Diwali. A very happy Diwali to all of you guys. So the thing is, Sid went to office because obviously we don't get Diwali holiday here. Till then I will be decorating the house. So I have got candles which I got from Primark few days back, and also we have diyas and I need to make rangoli. Also we have put up the lights in the bedroom already and we need to put up lights in the drawing, also in the balcony. So that's that. Let's start with all the decorations for Diwali. Here are all the diyas. I got this for 2.50 pounds. This and this. It was pretty expensive. And then this is what I got. It's tea light holder. So here's Shubla which I need to put up, and then there is also Vandarwal and also this ready-made rangoli which I showed in one of my vlogs. Also I got all these LED candle lights for 2.50 from Primark. And we have this light which I need to put up, and then there's this which is balcony waterproof lights.
I want skateboarding, Julie in the streets. I told her a story, singing with my first guitar, and I knew the chord that broke off my heart. I wish time were frozen and believe that we're still kids. Life has changed, it's falling, but together there is no tears. I only have a fear to let the innocence behind. There's a place within, waiting for our comeback.
Hey guys, so we are all set. We are ready for the Diwali celebration. Now we are going to light candles and diyas, and also we will do all the puja tayari. So are you ready?
Of course, Diwali is my favorite festival. Pretty much excited to decorate our house. So let's go.
Yes, let's go.
I remember mornings in the park, flying with my friends like we were Superman. Now that we are older, everything has changed outside, but we're still together.